Hey, what's up, my people? Always so good to have you back on this channel. See, guys, I want to say this. If you are on this channel and you're not making money, then I would not be happy with you. See, I have taken time to dish out different forex trading strategies for you all on this channel. So if I were you, I will simply go over all the strategy videos, okay, and then pick up the one that resonates well with me, okay, because I have simply made an effort to ensure that everyone on this channel has value, okay, gets value for their time. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about a particular trading strategy that is a very sophisticated one, okay. Now, this trading strategy combines technical analysis, okay, with the use of advanced indicators. Now, remember what I just said. It's a very sophisticated strategy. So it simply means that you have to watch this video to the end so as to avoid missing the tiny bits of information that might just be the difference between you closing your trades in losses or profits, okay? So in this strategy, we're going to be focusing on what? Identifying the main trend, correction, precise timing of our entries, and then exits. Okay, so now let's dive straight into our strategy. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding our indicators. So let's add our indicators. We'll be adding the Ichimoku indicator. Sounds like an Igbo name. That's actually for those that are from Nigeria. You probably understand, but if you're not from Nigeria, you might not understand. So for the Ichimoku, we are going to be changing some of the settings. Okay, so the Ichimoku cloud provides a comprehensive overview of market conditions, okay, including current trends, support, resistance, and future market direction. So I'm going to be changing the Tenkan Sen, okay. I will change it to a blue color. The Tenkan Sen, I'm going to switch it to blue, while the Kijun Sen, I'm going to change it to red. I'm going to change the Kijun Sen to red. Yep. Okay. Then every other thing I would leave the same. Then I'll click on save and hopefully it's on the chart. Good. So this is how the Ichimoku cloud appears on the charts. Okay. Now let's really look at it a little bit. Now, as you can see, we have a blue line. Okay. The blue line is what we call the Tenkan-sen line. It's also known as the conversion line and is calculated by averaging the lowest low and the highest high over the last 9 periods. What about the Kinjo-sen? The Kinjo-sen is the red line, is also known as the baseline and is calculated by averaging the lowest low and the highest high over the last 26 periods. Now, the Chico span is the green line. The green line is also known as the lagging line. It shows the closing price delayed by 26 periods. Basically, the Ichimoku cloud consists of two circle span line, okay, that serves as the borders of the cloud. The first line is calculated as the average of the Tenkan-sen and Keijo-sen and is plotted 26 periods ahead. The second line is calculated as the average of the lowest minimum and the highest maximum over the last 52 period and plotted 26 periods ahead. So with the next indicator we're going to be adding is what we call the relative strength index, which is also for short called the RSI. So let's move over to adding our relative strength index. So yep, so this is our RSI. Then I'm going to add one level. I'm going to be adding level 50 to the RSI. Yeah, I'm going to leave the period the same and then I click on save. Okay, now I'll move over to the chart to see the RSI. Yeah, good. So this is our RSI. Okay, that's our RSI. The RSI is simply an oscillator, okay, that measures the strength and speed of price changes over a period of time. RSI values above 70 indicate an overbought market, while values below 30 indicate an oversold market. And finally, yes, your guess is as good as mine. You know the final indicator I'm going to be adding. Yes, you already guessed correctly. It is the parabolic SAR. We're going to be adding the parabolic SAR. The indicator, everything remains the same. The settings remain the same. So as you can see, we have some black dots imprinted on the chart. Okay, so we'll be using this as a confirmation of trend consolidation and precise entry points, and of course exits. Okay, now how does this strategy work? Very simple. Now we've got to go over to the H4 time frame. Let's move over to the H4 time frame. Yeah, now this is our H4 time frame, and I'm going to be using the Ichimoku cloud. So basically, a price above the cloud indicates an increasing trend, okay, or rather an uptrend. Now, prices below the cloud basically indicates what? A downtrend. Is that clear? So with this, we know the main direction of the market, and you know this is crucial for us in timing lower time frame entries. So on the H4 time frame, I'm going to look out for the direction of the market. So the first thing is, let me put on my marker. Yep. As you can see, price is above the cloud, meaning it's an uptrend, okay? And also it's being supported by what? The parabolic SAR, which is being imprinted what? Beneath the price market. Okay, so it's telling us that the market is what? On an uptrend. So also take note that the RSI is above what? 50. So the three things you must take note of when you move over to the H4 time frame. The first thing is find out where the market, if you want to pick a buy, okay, the market should be above the cloud. That's the first thing. Then the second thing is that the parabolic SAR should be imprinted below the market prices on the H4 time frame. And the third thing is that the market should be on the RSI line just above 50. Okay, then immediately all that is set, we switch straight to the M15 time frame. So let's switch straight to the M15 time frame. Yep. Now for the M15 time frame, I'm going to just simply wait for the price moving from the other direction. Simply put, I'm simply going to wait for the correction, and as soon as the correction is over, I dive into the trade. How do I mean? Now the parabolic SAR tells me that the price is in correction because as H1 is as the parabolic SAR for H1 is indicating an uptrend, the parabolic SAR on the M15 time frame, you need to wait for it to show you that the market is coming from the opposite direction, which is actually the correction or consolidation. Okay, so you wait for the price to finish imprinting from the top, okay, and get to the bottom. Okay, so as soon as the price starts imprinting underneath the market, then you know that it's time to enter. Now, what are the things you need to look out for when you want to take your entries on the M15 time frame? Number one, you need to ensure that the market parabolic SAR finishes its movement from the opposite direction. Okay, then number two, you need to ensure that the market is now below the cloud for the M15. Please take note. For the M15, the market should be below the cloud. Then number three, you need to also spot the fact that market is going to be coming from below the 30-50 region on the RSI line. Okay, the RSI line should be below 30-15, and then at that point you wait for the first dot on the SAR, parabolic SAR, to start coming out, and as soon as it comes out, you place your stop loss just above, sorry, just below. Okay, your stop loss should be placed just below the price. Yeah, okay. As soon as you place that there, then you can ride the trend. You can ride the trend till you get to the H4. Now you can ride the trend and exit somewhere here till the H4 RSI touches the 70 mark. So this is where you are going to be exiting. So I'm going to show you that on the M15 so you see how far the market actually went in your direction. Good. So you see, you entered the market here, and then see how far you rode the market. See. And you're going to be exiting somewhere here, guys. Guys, you are going to make a lot of money. Okay, just by using this strategy. Okay, you're going to make a whole lot of money. So of course, with experience, you know how else to hold your trades and to make more money. However, just obeying this is also good for you. So let's look out for a sell opportunity. For a sell opportunity, remember the market needs to, the H4 time frame, the market needs to be below the cloud. So let's go. Okay, actually USD JPY has been on an uptrend for a while now. So let's look at another chart. So let's see. Boom, 500. Yeah, this is actually deriv. So we can check boom 500. Let me go for a sell region. Okay. Yeah, so looking at this, you'll notice something. Boom 500. Boom 500. This for on the H4 chart, the market is what? Below what? The cloud here. Now, so the things you need to take note of. Number one, the market needs to be below the cloud. Number two, parabolic SAR needs to have started imprinting above the market price. Then number three, on the H4 time frame, market should be below the 50, or sorry, between the 50 and the 30 levels, okay, on your RSI. Then what do you do next? You dash to the M15 time frame. Okay, so this is the M15 time frame. I remember what we said. Now, because we're looking for a sell, we need to ensure that the parabolic SAR firstly is imprinting above, sorry, below the market price, okay, in the other direction, to show us that yes, the M15 is now what? Consolidating, right? To show us that the market is now consolidating. Then after that, we wait and enter as soon as the market starts printing what? As soon as the parabolic SAR starts printing above the market price for a sell trade. Okay, and then we can ride this trade till the H4, till the H4 RSI touches what? The 30 level. Till the H4 RSI touches what? The 30 level, we can hold this trade. Okay, guys, so this is a very simple strategy, but sure, very, very effective for you to make some cool cash for yourself. Okay, so I just want to encourage you, if you like this video, do subscribe to the channel, like the video, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.